Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to secure your Google account or Gmail account with the Google Authenticator or Authy app. So as you can see here, we don't have the option to set up our Authenticator. That is because we need to first enable the two-step verification, and we need to, as you can see, enable the two-step verification using our mobile phone, and then after that we're gonna have the possibility to add an additional security measurement, which is the authenticator. So now I'm gonna verify my phone number with a text message or a phone call. Both works. I'm gonna press next, and now I'm gonna enter the code that I'm gonna receive on my phone. Okay, nice. Okay, as you can see guys, now I just entered the code I have received on my phone. I'm gonna press turn on to enable the two-step verification. Now if we scroll down, you're gonna notice that now we can have a more sign-in option, which are the authenticator, backup, two-step verification phones, and the backup codes. And now we're gonna pick authenticator. We're gonna press setup authenticator, and we're gonna simply scan the QR code. This is actually very simple. You can either head out to your Google Authenticator app or your Authy app. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna simply click on the plus button on my Google Authenticator app. I'm gonna press scan QR code, and I'm gonna screen this code. And yeah, I believe that should be all. Then we should click on next, and we should enter the code. And we're gonna enter the code. The code gets reset every 30 seconds, so make sure you enter the most recent one. So yeah, so as you can see guys, we finished the setup in our authenticator on our Gmail account. Now if you don't like to have the two-step verification with your phone, you can simply remove it, and you're gonna keep the authenticator on your Google account. Thanks for watching, and if you have any question, comment down below. Thanks for watching.